How to make luxury, beautiful, voluminous high updo. I'm sure you see it on your Instagram while you scrolling it because it is the most popular hairstyle now, and in this lesson I'm showing you all the details how to make it. I want to thank for all my Patreon students because with your support I'm able to create these new lessons, and I'm sure that you see the difference because now it's higher quality and I can post it more often for you because now I have my videographer. Thank you one more time for your support, and if you want to join my online classes in English language, link will be under this video. Check the description right now and join. Today I have beautiful model Marta.
Hello.
Marta has dyed hair, a little bit flyaways here, and I got a lot of questions from you how to get rid of these flyaways. There are two main secrets. The first is right preparation. Now I'm gonna show you how to prep the hair to get rid of these flyaways. And the second secret I'm gonna show you during this lesson, so watch it till the end. The most important is the front section. I'm gonna prep it to give some volume because our fringe is everything. Our model clients, they look in a mirror and see themselves in the front, right? And take a look at our result. You see, perfect fringe. If I stretch it, for example, like this, yeah, and apply some hairspray, it will hold like this. Perfect volume. I think that I will split into two, something like this, and you see it is so airy, perfect for any hairstyle. I love it. I like to use these rollers just to fix it, kind of temporary, so this hair don't bother me. And I'm gonna curl all the hair just one direction, because I don't need curls here, like beautiful curls. No. I just need to prep the hair to give them this curl effect, this shape of the curl. So just gonna get and in front of the mirror and check maybe something you can, you know, a little bit lift it up to have nice shape. And the last step is our fringe, but the most important. So I'm gonna curl it away from the face, 32 millimeters curling iron, like this. I put it 45 degrees and away from the face. And you know, I can predict the future. If you leave, like, hit the thumbs up right now, you will practice this hairstyle and it will be much more better than I made now. So hit the button and make the most beautiful hairstyles. And the same on the opposite side, you see 45 degrees like this, and make sure it's, you know, like symmetrical. Yeah, and you know what I've noticed? A lot of people are watching my lessons on YouTube without any subscription, and that is so bad for me because I'm trying for you the best, and I'm just asking you to subscribe my channel because you will see my new lessons. You don't